Tere päevast, kallid vaatajad! Tere tulemast veebikonverentsile Ajaloo niid, Kreenholmi minevik ja tulevik, mille korraldajad on Narva Muuseum ja Põhjamaade Ministrite Nõukogu esindus Eestis. Konverentsi partnerid on Narva linn ja ettevõtte Narva Gate. Здравствуйте, уважаемые зрители! Добро пожаловать на веб-конференцию «Нить истории. Прошлое и будущее Кренгольма», организованную Нарвским музеем и представительством Совета министров северных стран в Эстонии. Партнерами конференции являются город Narva и предприятие Narva Gate. Selle konverentsi kuupäev ei olnud juhuslikult valitud. Just täna, 15. mail, tähistame Kreenholmi мануфактури asutaja Ludvig Knopi 200 sünniaastapäeva. Дата проведения конференции выбрана не случайно. Именно сегодня, 15 мая, мы отмечаем 200-летие со дня рождения Людвига Knopа, основателя Kreenholmской мануфактуры. Tänase konverentsi ettekanned puudutavad nii Ludvig Knopi kui ka Kreenholmi manufaktuuri ajalugu ja tulevikuvisiooni. Esinejate hulgas on Narva Muuseumi teadurid, Kreenholmi omanikfirma Narva Gate tegevjuht ja ka Knopi järeltulija Norrast. Rootsi Norrköping linnamuuseumi kuraator jutustab, kuidas endisest suurest tekstiilitööstusest sai uus ja kaasaegne linnarajoon, kus asuvad muuseumid, kontserdi- ja konverentsikeskus, restoranid ja palju muud. Konverentsi teises osas ootab teid Kreenholmi oleviku ja tuleviku teemaline arutelu, kus teie saate ka aktiivselt osaleda ja esitada küsimusi. Выступления на сегодняшней конференции касаются истории и видения будущего Кренгольмской мануфактуры. Среди докладчиков научные сотрудники Нарвского музея, руководитель компании-собственника Кренгольма Narva Gate, а также один из потомков Knopа из Норвегии. Куратор городского музея Норрköpinga в Швеции расскажет, как бывшее крупное текстильное предприятие превратилось в новый современный район с музеями, концертным и конференц-центром, ресторанами и многим другим. Во второй части конференции вас ждет дискуссия о настоящем и будущем Кренгольма, в которой вы, уважаемые зрители, сможете принять активное участие. Aga nüüd tänase konverentsi avab Gabrielson Invest AB omanik ja looja Mats Gabrielson. Сегодняшнюю конференцию открывает владелец Gabrielson Invest AB Mats Gabrielson.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to participate in the online Kreenholm conference. My name is Mats Gabrielson. I was the chairman of Borås Väveri during the last industrial phase of Kreenholm. I am present one of the owners of Narva Gate. Some historical background to the subject Kreenholm. Narva and Narva River has played an important part in the history and the development for the Nordic part of Europe. It has been a center of trade for over 1,000 years. Being an important place, it has had several rulers and it has been burnt down repeatedly. Last time it happened was 75 years ago during the Great War. It started with trade, but then it came into the pre-industrial phase. Around 1300, the first pre-industrial manufacturing started with a sawmill on the island Kreenholm, which is situated in the middle of Narva River. 200 years later, it was complemented by a grain mill. The industrial phase started 1856 by Ludvig Knop. He founded Kreenholm Manufaktur, the textile company. Not really textile, it started with spinning and weaving. During the time until the start of the First World War, the textile factory developed and became the second largest in the world, using the latest technology in spinning and weaving. In between the two big wars, the industry deteriorated as the Russian market vanished because of the liberation of Estonia.
And the Second World War basically was a disaster for Krenholm, as a big battle was on the island and the area of Krenholm, and the factories came into ruins. Anyhow, the Soviet Union decided to rebuild and re-equip the industry again. It became one of the largest textile producers in the world, with a main market, Russia.
After the second liberation of Estonia, the market disappeared again as the Russian market dried up. We came in to, and by we I mean Borås Väveri, came in to Krenholm 1994. We tried to modernize the production. We were successful doing it to some degree, but Krenholm was caught by the supply market 2007. We financed a downsizing by buying out the land and the buildings into our property company, Narva Gate. Anyhow, we were not successful in the downsizing and reorganization of Krenholm Textile. So the group was bankrupted 2010. Today, we are in the pre-industrial phase. Around 1,000 people work within the Krenholm area. During the past 50 years, we have developed a new city plan for Krenholm area, containing hotels, culture, and amusement buildings, areas for light industry, and of course, apartment buildings. We are in a new era. The future economy will not be driven by producing in steaming factories. The key to the future is IT, cloud service, tourism, events, and so on. I believe Narva has a good opportunity to be a Nordic Hong Kong as the trade will develop. Now I will end my welcome speech in the same way as I started. Narva and Krenholm will continue to be an important place for the Nordic Europe. And I wish all the participants an interesting and productive online conference. Thank you.